Looking for a heavy-duty dehumidifier that can handle serious moisture problems in basements, crawl spaces, or restoration jobs? The ALORAIR Sentinel HD55 is built more like industrial equipment than a typical home unit, and that's exactly why it stands out. Right away, the power is the main highlight. This unit can remove up to 113 pints of moisture per day under saturation conditions, making it ideal for damp basements, crawl spaces, and even water damage restoration scenarios. Despite that performance, it stays relatively compact and portable. Designed specifically for tight spaces like crawl spaces, it can cover around 1,200 square foot while still being easy to move and install. What really makes it practical is the continuous drainage system. Instead of emptying a tank, it uses a drain hose for gravity drainage, so it can run non-stop, perfect for long-term humidity control without maintenance interruptions. It's also built for tough environments. Features like automatic defrost allow it to operate in lower temperatures without freezing up, while the rugged metal housing improves durability for industrial or heavy-duty use. Convenience features are solid too. Memory restart automatically resumes operation after a power outage, and the adjustable humidity control lets you maintain a consistent environment without constant tweaking. Real-world users often highlight reliability in long-term use, running flawlessly 24/7 for a few years. Of course, this isn't a quiet bedroom unit. It's designed for utility spaces, so you'll hear it working, and it relies on gravity drainage, no built-in pump, which may require setup planning depending on your space. Overall, this is a powerful, durable, and low-maintenance commercial dehumidifier that's ideal for serious moisture control, especially in basements, crawl spaces, and restoration environments where standard units just aren't enough. Click the link below for the best price.